Good morning. Today we will be discussing about electronic performance management system. Before we discuss electronic performance management system, let us understand the issues with traditional PMS. The first issue is subjectivity. Appraisers use subjective criteria of assessment instead of objective criteria while evaluating the performance of their employees. Biasness. Most of the time, employees felt that their appraisal was biased rather than being fair. Tendency to rate employee as average. Most of the time, it was also felt that appraisers did not have any idea of actual performance of some employee. Therefore, they rated them as average performer. Poor appraisal process. This was another issue with most of the employees. They felt the process was ritualistic and faulty. Not able to monitor employee performance. Appraisers found it difficult to monitor the performance of the employees all the time, not having data of past performance. Often, there were no data related to goal set, record of previous past performances. Expensive and ineffective. By and large, traditional performance management was expensive and ineffective. Emergence of electronic performance management systems. Over the last decade, the new technologies have emerged as most pressing challenges of doing business. The mindset of employees are also influenced by the emerging technologies. Today, employees find easy to use digital tools to execute their job in a more efficient, highly virtualized environment. Using information technology to support performance management is one of the things. Many companies integrate information technology to automate performance management and to monitor feedback and correct deviation, if any, on time. Digitalized HRM enables the whole appraisal system to be conducted online and on corporate internet interface. This means that the supervisor and the employees are able to submit performance data directly to the HR department in electronic form. Digitalizing has the ability to unlock new level of efficiency in corporate performance management and at the same time to increase the quality, speed, and relevance of information supply massively. E-performance management is a web-based tool that has been designed to make the performance review easier than ever. Most organizations base their performance reviews on what goals and how goals. The what goals focus on specific objectives that an individual should accomplish, for example, increase sale by 10%, and how goal outline the means by which employee will achieve what goals, which is often expressed in terms of competencies and behavior. Electronic performance management system is a competency-based system that measures people not only on goal attainment but on the very competencies that are required for the role. Benefits of e-performance management from organizational perspective. E-performance management helps organization in improving its performance. It also helps organization in retaining the employees and ensuring that they have a loyal set of employees. E-performance management improves the overall productivity of the organization. It helps the organization in overcoming the barriers to communication. It also leads to clear accountability and cost advantages. From manager's perspective, e-performance management helps the manager to receive instant feedback on performance with drill down to individual employees' performance. With this, there is no need to rewrite performance contract each year. Simply, one can upload and edit it from previous period and identify developmental need arising from performance discussion, which could be automatically fed into individual developmental plan. From employee's perspective, EPMS clarifies expectation of the employee. It also helps in self-assessment opportunities and clarifies the job accountabilities. It helps in contributing to improved performance. It also helps the employee in clearly defining the career path and promote job satisfaction. Now let us look at some of the challenges of having electronic performance management system. Electronic performance management system is based on reductionist approach which may miss the whole human approach. A holistic approach is more outcome focused than process focused and is more flexible, admitting more possibilities and fuzzy project boundaries as compared to EPMS. A holistic approach allows employees to define their responsibilities more broadly. Negotiation and decision-making skills get reduced in software-aided allocation of labor. And easy availability of rating and dimension leads to insufficient thinking on assessment criteria and a review of dimension. Job roles and job analysis may not be reviewed and changed due to the easy availability in a particular package. The measure in the EPMS may be based on what is easily measured and recorded than what may be estimated or judged. Are there variance in some of the measure in EPMS meaningful enough? This needs to be reviewed. Overdependence on the system may lead to evaluators not being able to explain the rationale behind a particular message or feedback through EPMS. A lack of trust in a particular message or feedback may lead employees to distrust the entire system. Lastly, a dissonance in the criteria or measure may lead employees to question the entire management intent behind PMS.